Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car's trunk and take out the rear light housing. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the lights with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. To replace the signaling light bulbs, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise holding the grey cap, then remove the whole thing. To remove the bulb, press on it and give it a quarter turn.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Perform the reverse operation for reassembly. Put the light back in. Screw the two holding screws back. The other taillight bulbs are lead and cannot be replaced. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.